Welcome to the world of TriPollar, a brilliant beauty choice. Today I got the new edition of the TriPollar Stop, the TriPollar Stop VX, and I'm excited to see with you how it works. Prior to using the device for the first time, be sure to carefully read the user manual for warnings, contraindications, and indications for use. Connect the power supply cord to the device and plug the power supply into an electrical outlet. Thoroughly clean and dry your face. Lightly dab spots of TriPollar preparation gel. Spread a thin layer of gel over your entire face and neck. Remove the cover from the device. Divide your face into treatment areas: right cheek, left cheek, forehead, neck. Press the power button to select the RF mode. The green light indicator will turn on. You can press the power button again to change the RF heating level. We recommend starting with the low level. Place the device on your skin and apply slight pressure. Start moving the device in a very slow circular motion on a small part of your treatment area, slowly heating your skin to the optimal temperature. It is important to keep the device constantly moving and that all 4 electrodes are in direct contact with the skin at all times. Once the skin has reached the optimal temperature, the orange light turns on, followed by a beep sound. Continue the slow circular movements for a few more moments and then gradually enlarge your movements. Proceed with this technique, covering the entire treatment area, making sure the orange indicator light is illuminated as much as possible during the treatment. As you move from one area to another, the orange light may turn off if the temperature of the skin is not warm enough. When treating the cheeks, start from the jawline, moving slowly towards the cheeks. Treatment can be augmented by lifting movements from the jawline upwards towards your cheeks. Treat each area for 4 to 5 minutes. Proceed to the next treatment area. When treating the forehead, start from the corner of the eye with a small circular movement, working towards the center of the forehead. When reaching the center, make another circular movement and return to the corner of the eye. Continue until the entire half of the forehead is covered. Move to the other half of the face. When treating the neck, move from below the jawline to the neck. Continuously move the device slowly in circular or figure of 8 movements. Make sure that you avoid the thyroid area. If the orange light and beep take longer than 5 minutes to appear, or if you don't feel any heating, try the following. Slow your movements. Check if you've applied too much gel, and if needed, remove some. Increase the power to a higher level. The entire face treatment will take between 12 to 15 minutes. Switch to the RF and DMA mode. The blue indicator light will turn on. We recommend starting with the low level. Start moving the device in slow linear motions along the jawline. To ensure optimal results, use the RF and DMA mode 4 to 5 minutes on each treatment side. Treatment times may vary from person to person. Slight redness and skin swelling may appear and will subside shortly after the treatment is complete. Press the power button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn off the device. Disconnect the power supply from the device. Clean the gel from your face. Complete the treatment with moisturizing cream. Clean the TriPollar Stop VX device with a soft, damp cloth or paper towel and cover it with its protective cover. For optimal results, use TriPollar Stop VX device 2 to 3 times a week for 6 to 8 weeks. In order to maintain long-term results after finishing a full course of treatments, it is recommended that you continue to use your TriPollar Stop VX device 2 to 4 times a month or as needed. If you've undergone any other aesthetic procedures or any uncertainty regarding potential side effects, consult your physician before using the device. Enjoy using TriPollar Stop VX.